This is 2023 Sea Ray 190 SPX. Comes with matching trailer with swing tongue, tandem axle with brakes, anchor storage in the bow, bimini and covers, nice size swim platform, convenient walkthrough, side controls. This Sea Ray is powered by a 4.5 liter Merc Cruiser, 200 horsepower. Nice large sun pad. Built-in cooler. Dual captain's chairs. In-floor storage. Is equipped with Bluetooth radio. Tilt steering wheel. Both captain's chairs have bolster seats. Large storage area under the passenger side. Also with the glove box. Does have a walk-through windshield. Complete with covers and bimini top. This 19-foot Sea Ray is rated for 10 people. Large ski locker. Storage for all your life jackets, gear, coolers, cup holders, storage under your seat in front. This cushion does slide out, so you have a nice step for jumping in the water off the bow. (2023) Sea Ray 190 SPX.